Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitin Sharma and today in this video we are going to discuss all about the streams in Node.js. Guys, streams are objects that let you read the data from a source or write data to a destination in continuous fashion. In Node.js guys, basically we have four types of streams. First one is the readable, which is used for read operations, and second one is the writable, which is used for the write operations, and third one we have duplex, which can be used for both the operations read and write. Okay, and then guys we have another type of stream, that is transform, a type of duplex stream where the output is computed based on input. So guys, believe me, we have to use only two type of streams. First one is the readable and second one is the writable. So we will use both type of streams, and guys, each type of stream is an event emitter. In my last video, I have already discussed about the event module and how EventEmitter works. So guys, if you have not watched my last video, so please go there and watch it carefully. I will provide you link of this particular video in the description box as well. So guys, each type of stream is an EventEmitter instance and throws several events at different instance of times. For example, some of the commonly used events are, though these are the basically events which we have already discussed in my previous videos as well. So first event we can say which is used in the streaming, that is the data. This event is fired when there is data is available to read. We will see, we will implement this. And then guys, secondly we have event that is end. This event is fired when there is no more data to read. And third type of event we have, that is error. This event is fired when there is an error receiving or writing the data, whichever streaming we are using. Okay, so guys, in the end we have another type of event, that is finish. This event is fired when all the data has been flushed to underlying the system. So guys, these are the basically streaming and these are the basically events which is used in streaming. So we will see. So guys, now let's start. Actually guys, these are my videos. This is the video for the events which I have created earlier, and in this streaming we will use FS module. So I have created two videos for the FS. First one I have created synchronously, this one, and then I created asynchronously, which is this one. So guys, if you have not watched these three videos, so I will request you once again just to go there and watch all of them carefully. I will provide you link of all these in description box, because guys, we are going to use all three videos work in this particular video, streaming. This is basically most important part of any language guys. Streaming is much more important when we talk about. Okay, so guys, now we will understand that what is streaming. So now I will go to the agenda of this particular video guys. So what I have done for this particular video, I have just created a folder, stream data, and I have just created a single file in that particular folder, that is index.js. Okay, so now guys, I have just mentioned the challenge of this particular video. Firstly, we have already discussed that what is stream, we will see, and then what are the benefits of stream, and then we will discuss that how we can create writable stream guys, and then we will discuss that how we can create readable stream as well. And guys, in the end we will see that what is piping in a stream. That is a much more important part, that what is a piping in a stream and how it is works. Okay guys, so just watch till the end. You will get answers of all these questions or whatever question you have in your mind. So guys, just watch it carefully. Okay, so guys, firstly I will tell you what is stream. In stream guys, we receive data chunk by chunk. Suppose guys, we are watching any particular video on YouTube. You are watching me on YouTube. When we take an example of this particular video, so guys, you may be thinking that when you click on the video, then complete video is not getting downloaded. Okay, you are watching it live, or you can say you are watching it continuously fashion. So what YouTube is doing for us, YouTube just read the chunk of the particular video, or we can say reads the chunk data or a small part of our video, then it just loads to your system, and then you watch the particular part, then it moves to the next one. Okay guys, so it doesn't download completely video once. So guys, suppose if you watch my video till the end, so your data will be consumed of whatever limit or whatever size of my video is. But if you leave my video from the mid, so half of the data will be consumed, whatever you have watched. Okay, so streaming is a much more important part. Okay guys, when we talk about the earlier stages, we have used 3 GPO, we have to download all the videos. Okay, but now guys, technology has moved much far away. Okay, so guys, we have to use streaming. I will go to the YouTube. Actually guys, these are my videos, so I will open this video. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just show you how streaming is work. Guys, just so carefully, you can see it is showing me red mark here, so it is just showing that how much video has been played. Okay, but now next, what it is just showing, it is just showing me a white color of shadow. Okay, you can see it is something like disabled, so this is not streamed yet. But guys, this one has streamed. So guys, what YouTube is doing for us, it is just streaming the data, or it is just streaming our videos. Okay, so guys, streaming is much more important part. I will provide you the link of this particular video in the description box. Guys, this video is also much important. So guys, I will provide you link of this particular video in the description box as well. Okay, so now guys, I move to the main topic. So guys, we have understand that what is stream. So it also saves a memory. We can say we can use our limited resource to complete a big task, because suppose guys, I have limited resource of 512 MB memory in my system. Okay, but guys, I'm loading or I'm downloading the bigger file. So guys, it will make a problem for me if I download it directly. But stream, what it does, it just download the files in chunk, so my memory also remains and work also completes. Okay, so now guys, we will move to the next one, that what are the benefits of stream. So these are the basically benefits, that we can also utilize our limited resource in a good manner and we can achieve our task. So guys, now we will see the example, that I will show you all these things and what are the benefits. I will show you what benefits is. Okay, so now guys, we will move to the next one, that how we can create writable stream. Yes guys, so now we will implement this. So just to implement, what I will do, I have already discussed that I will use FS module once again here guys. So that's why I have already told you all about the FS module in my previous videos. So I will just use it, that is const fs is equal to, I will just require it. Okay, so this is the basically first line which I have to do just to use any particular module. Okay, so now guys, what I have done, I have just required the FS module here. Now what I will do, I will just create a writable stream. Okay, so now I will just write stream. I have just taken a variable here. So now write stream is equal to, I will use fs dot. Guys, fs provide us one more ultimate method, as like previously we have seen, it provides us method just to read files, write files, many more. Okay, but guys, some methods are like create, write stream. Visual Studio Code is showing hints for us, so it provides us create, write stream. What it demands for us, it just require one parameter, one argument. Okay, so guys, what argument I will pass, I will just pass the name of path I want to create. So guys, I will just take as data.txt. Okay, so now guys, I have done a very simple things. I have just required the fs and I am using fs.create, write stream. So I will write the data in this particular file. Actually guys, I will use data.txt here. So I will just write the file in a streaming manner. Okay guys, so now what I will do, I will just create a for loop here. I'm just preparing the data, that how we can read or how we can use readable stream, because just to use readable, firstly we have to write something so that we can read. Okay, so now guys, I will just I'm using the for loop here, like where I is equal to 0 and I less than is equal to, I'm just taking a value as 25,000 and then I plus plus. Okay, so guys, I just created a loop. So now what I will do, I will just use whatever object I have created. So write stream dot write. This is the method which is basically used to write the data. using streaming. Okay, so now guys, I will just put the data whatever I want to write, and in the end what I have to do, I have to just use write_stream.end. So it will just end whenever my work will be completed. So what data I will write, because guys I want to create a big file just to understand all the functionality of streaming. So I will go to the dummy website. So what I will do, I will just take a dummy text here, and then I will just open Lipsum. Yes, so I will just take a dummy data guys from here. So I have just taken this one dummy data. I will just copy, and then I will convert it into the single line, because guys in JS I have to convert it into a single line. Okay, so guys what I have done, I've just taken a dummy data from here. I will just zoom out a little bit. Yes, okay, so I will just save it. So now guys, firstly I will show you the directory before executing this program. What I have done, I have just taken a single file index.js. So now what I'm going to create, I'm going to create data.txt file using the write_stream method. Okay guys, so I will save and I will go to the command prompt. So I will execute my program with the help of nodemon space index.js. Yes guys, you can see my nodemon has started and it's working. Okay guys, so you can see data.txt file is created here. So now I will go to the folder structure. Yes guys, you can see. So I can easily check that data.txt is created here, and I can also get the size. It is just showing me around 29 MB or 30 MB size. Okay guys, you can see. So now guys, I have just created a data.txt file here. So guys, we have completed this challenge, that how we can create writable stream in Node.js. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just make a comment all these things here, because I have done completely writable stream. So now guys, we will see that how we can create readable stream. Yes guys, you will see that how it works. It's much important guys when we have to play with a large data or large files. I have just created a file just around the 29 MB or 30 MB guys, but sometimes guys we have to play with the files that size belongs to GB, just like 1 GB file guys we have to operate. Okay, so now guys, you will get all the answers, so just watch it. So I will just save it. So now guys, I make a comment about the writable. So now what I will do, I will just use readable stream guys. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, just to use readable stream, I will create firstly a server, because I will just show you the data on browser. So I will just create a server, const http is equal to require. Actually guys, I have created one video for this HTTP module as well. If you have not watched it, or if you are not getting what I am doing here, so I will request you to go once again in the playlist, and you can see guys, it is just showing me 19th video is there, that create web server in Node.js. Okay guys, so I'm using this one. So guys, please watch this video also carefully. Okay, so now guys, I have just required the HTTP module here. Okay, now what I will do, I will create another variable, that is const server is equal to then http dot create server. Okay, yes guys, so now what I will do, I will just listen the server on particular port which I am going to use. So I will just listen my server dot listen, then I will just pass the port. I am just passing the 3000 as port hard coded. Okay guys, so you can see all these details of HTTP module and how we can create server and what we can do with it. So guys, just watch the video I have just provided you. Okay, so now guys, I will just save the things. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just listen the server on port. So now next thing guys, once again one more event I have to call, that is server.on. This is the basically also event that we are listening for the event, that is request. Whenever I will make a request from the browser, then this event will be called, and then I will define a callback function here. First one is the request and second one is the response. So this is the basically callback function, so I will use arrow function here. Okay, yes guys, so now guys, what I will do, firstly I will show you that why we need streaming. Yes guys, question arise that when we can read any file data normally using a single function, that is also provided by the fs.read file, fs.read file sync. So how we are going to implement all these things in a streaming manner? So firstly guys, I will show you. So what I will do, I will just read the file fs.read file. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just pass the file name. What file I have created previously? I have just created data.txt. So I will just copy the name just because of any typo. Yes, data.txt file is created, so I am using same. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, it also needs a callback function here. Okay, so what callback function I will provide? So once again, I will provide first one is the error and second one is the data. Okay, so now guys, this is the basically callback function. So now if any error will be there, so it will just throw me. I have just explained all these things in my video of fs previously, asynchronously or synchronously. This is the basically asynchronous method which I am going to use. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just response the thing, response.end, and then I will just pass the data here. Okay, so now guys, what I have done, whenever I will make any request from the browser, then what will happen, it will just receive the request and then it will just read the file using asynchronous method. Okay, so guys, whenever my file of read operation will be completed and if there will be no error, then it will just return me the response, and response will be displayed on the browser. Okay guys, so we will see. I will just save the things. Okay, so now guys, yes, I am using the node.mon guys, so that's why whenever I make any change or save the file, then my program get executed automatically. Okay guys, if you are not using the node.mon, then you have to use or you have to read in a program after each change you want to check. Okay, so now guys, I will go to the browser, and now what I will do, I will just use 127.3000. Yes, this is the basically I am making a request here. Okay guys, so you can see I am able to read the data. Okay, first guys, this is my task manager in which I am getting that how much usage is there. Yes guys, you can see the size of window command processor. Okay, this is the basically CMD guys. So you can see it is using the memory as 47.9 MB. 47.9 because guys, CMD has created a server for me for Node.js. So that's why when I have executed any command, so whatever processing, whatever memory Node.js is taking, so it will just show me here. Okay, so guys, you can see that CMD is taking 47.9 MB of memory. Okay, because guys, it is just taking off. I am reading the file, that's almost 30 MB. So it is just reading file completely in once. That's why whatever size of file is, the same size is getting utilized by my CMD. You can see in the task manager, I am using Windows. That's why I am using task manager. Okay guys, so you can see it is just showing me the limitations of memory. I am using the system with limitations of memory guys. So it's not feasible for me just to read all the file asynchronously. Suppose guys, this is the files of 30 MB, but in many cases we can also have a file around 100 MB, 200 MB, or we have already discussed that sometimes we have to work with 1 GB files as well. So guys, how I can achieve it? How can I achieve it? It's looking like impossible task for me with this limited resource which I have. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, firstly I will go to the browser. Yes guys, it is still loading. It's still loading because guys, 30 MB files is there and it is not able to complete successfully. Although it will complete, but it is taking huge resource. Yes, you can see it's now completed. Okay, all data has been read. So now guys, we have seen that how much data or how much memory it takes can be read file in a single shot. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just stop my execution. Yes, I just press Ctrl+C. I will just clear my screen. So now guys, we have seen that when we were using the read file method asynchronously or synchronously, memory utilization is higher. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just make a comment here. So I have just created this thing just to tell you that why we need streaming of data. Okay guys, now we will read the data using streaming. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will use const space read stream is equal to, so I will use fs module once again guys. So fs module is once again into the game, because guys, fs module has done lot of things earlier. It was provided us fs.read file, write file, but fs also provide us some methods just to streaming the data. Okay, so earlier we have used write stream, so this time we will use create read stream. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just pass the name here of a file whatever I have just created earlier. So I have just created a file that is data.txt. So I will use the same. Okay, yes, data.txt file. Okay, I will just save the things. So now I've just created a variable or object that is read stream. It will just return me all the things of read streaming. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will just call another event. So event is once again into the game. So now what I will do, I will just use read stream. Then I will use on, which is used to listen any particular event. So what I will do, I will just use data, because guys, earlier we have seen that stream provides us 4 type of events: data, and error, and finish. So I will use the data. So this event will be called whenever I will receive any chunk of data. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just take a parameter here, a chunk data. Okay, so now guys, firstly I will console the things just like chunk of data received. I just write down this thing, because guys, we will see that I'm getting the data in chunk or I'm getting in bulk. Okay, so now guys, what I will do, I will create a blank variable here, that is where file data is equal to this one. I have just taken a variable file data is equal to. So now what I will do, I will just concate the data of chunk data whatever I will receive. So file data plus is equal to chunk data. Yes. Okay guys, so now I will call another event, that is read stream dot on and then end. Okay, so now guys, what it will does, it will just call whenever no more data will be remain to read. Okay, so now guys, here what I will do, I will just response the things, response dot end, and then I will just pass the file data here. Okay, so now guys, I just console the things. I will check in the console that I'm getting data in single chunk or I'm getting chunk by chunk. Okay, so now guys, I will see. Yes guys, so I will go to the console and my program has already rerun. Okay, so now guys, I will go to the Google Chrome and then I will reload. Okay, so now guys, I just reload and it is showing me the data. Okay, so whatever I just received using the chunk. Okay, so now guys, I will go to the console. Yes guys, you can see easily it is showing me the chunk of data is received. It is calling multiple times. Okay, because guys, whatever we have done, it is implemented. Okay, because guys, we have created a read stream. So what read stream is doing for us, it is just getting the data chunk by chunk. So we have also seen in console. Okay, so now guys, I will open once again my task manager. Yes guys, you can see, but it is not any change in memory. Almost it is taking around 50 MB memory this time as well, and or we have already used the asynchronous method just to write file in a single shot, then at same time the memory was also consuming in the same. Okay, so guys, what I will do, we will move to the next challenge, that how we can create readable stream. We have also done, but guys, we will see that what is piping in a stream. Okay, so guys, now the piping has come into the game. So guys, piping is a process in which we provide the output of one stream as the input of another stream. So guys, this is the basically piping. We will use it. So now guys, it will also help us to reduce the memory usage. Okay, so now guys, I will make a comment once again here, because we have just read the data using chunk. Okay, so now guys, I will use a piping here. So just to use piping, what I have to do, I have to just use read stream. This is my read stream. Okay, so now guys, I will just use read stream dot pipe then response. Yes, so this time guys, I have used piping of streaming. Whenever our read stream will receive any chunk of data, it will just write to the response, and once again, so it will move, so it will just consume less memory. Okay guys, we will see here So currently it is showing me 21.6 MB. Yes guys, you can see, because my server has written automatically guys, that's why it is memory also has reflected. Earlier we have seen that it was consuming around 50 MB memory of our CMD over server Node.js server, but this time it's taking only 21 MB. Okay, so guys, I will go to my browser once again. I will reload my program, and yes guys, you can see it is just loading the data for us. Okay guys, yes, you can see it has just loaded the data. So guys, we have seen that how we can use piping of stream, or we can say what piping can does in stream. Okay, we have seen guys, memory is now around 20, 25, 26, not more than that one. Okay, but earlier we have seen that our memory usage also has gone till the 50 or 50 plus. Okay guys, so this is the basically all about the streaming in Node.js guys. So as in my previous video, or we can say in my first video, I have already told you that we can use Node.js just to create streaming apps. Okay, so guys, I hope so we have understand all about the streaming of Node.js, and all about the piping, all about the writable stream, all about the readable stream. So guys, I hope so you have understand, but guys, still if you have any problem, so guys, you can directly put it in comment box, and I will get back to you soon guys, as soon as possible I can, just to clear all of your doubts. Okay guys, so guys, we will meet in next video and we will learn something amazing. So guys, till the time, take care.